Alright guys, snow day hunt number 2. Yesterday I didn't see anything. Put the call out, nothing ever come into it, so I'm gonna head back to the meadow area, get it set up and try again. All I saw yesterday was those 28 elk, and that was pretty awesome to see. I'll put some video into that right here. But also out here, it looked like all the snow had been disturbed from the hogs, so maybe we'll get lucky and see the hogs running around out in the snow. That'd be cool. I'm gonna get over here and get set up and we'll see what happens. Alright guys, I was just filming that intro back there. I looked out across the creek here and I can see what I'm pretty sure is the hogs. Looks like there's a group of them out here in the middle of this field, so I've got to try to get across this creek and get set up and hopefully get a shot at 1 or 2 of them. We'll see how it goes. Got a couple of them anyway. Oh man, when I first took a shot, they were at about 180 yards. Then they all took off, scattered everywhere, so I just kept popping off rounds at them, trying to hit them. Looks like I got a couple of them, so I'll go over here and check them out. Oh yeah, I can see the blood over here where I first hit it. Yeah, big old fat sucker. Woo-wee. It's bleeding pretty good. That's a pretty big one. Go over here and check this other one out. Alright, here's the next one, a little smaller. I don't know if I hit this one this far out or not, but that's got to be 400 yards at least. Looks like I nailed him pretty good. He slid through there. Yeah. Woo. I don't know if there's any more that I hit. They all went across that tree line there. And all right, I didn't see any more over there, but I can't go too much further because the fence is there, but I could hear one squealing back up in there somewhere, so there may be another one down back there. But anyway, we got 2 of them, so that's pretty cool. I'm gonna drag this smaller one over there by that bigger one and get a couple pictures with it, so that's the plan for now. All right, I flipped this smaller one over and you can see where I hit it. So it's no wonder that it took a nosedive through there and slid through the snow and piled up. Woo-wee. Well, I got it over here. Kinda took it out of me, even though it was a small one. Just getting over the corona, so I don't know that I've got all my endurance back yet. I guess walking through the snow and carrying all this stuff would make just about anybody tired, I guess. We got it done though. Alright, you can see right there in the armpit where this one, the bullet exited, I'm pretty sure. So that's a good shot. I'm surprised it ran as far as it did. Probably, I can see blood all the way back there, 60 or about 60 yards. Dang, sucker's tough. Alright guys, well that's gonna do it for this video. Got a couple of them down anyways. Once I started shooting, everything kind of turned into a blur. That's pretty exciting. That's the first time I've unloaded on a group of hogs like that, so maybe next time I'll be a little more prepared, take my time on each shot. But anyway, we got 2 of them down, so that's not too bad. I was using the Armalite AR10 VSR in 308, so I'm not sure how many rounds I popped off, but I've got a couple left in there, so I'm gonna head back over here, try to call in some coyotes and see if we can get something to come in, but I'm sure everything's probably scared off by now. Anyway, that's gonna do it for this video. Thanks for watching, guys. See ya.